Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super easy brown smoky eye for you guys. I say it's easy because it only uses 2 shadows and requires no false lashes, which I love about it. It is super wearable for daytime, work, school, whatever it is, because it's not a dark brown smoky eye. It's really light and pretty. And if you're interested in how I got this makeup look, then just stay tuned. Alright, are you guys ready for the easiest smoky eye ever? I'm going to use my Morphe 35O palette, and we're only going to use like 3 colors max. You don't even need to wear false lashes with it because it's not a super dark smoky eye where it'll make your natural lashes completely disappear. I'm actually going to try to wear less false lashes in my video just because I know that a lot of people don't wear false lashes on the daily, and it's also really bad for my eyelashes. I noticed it was like the glue was ripping off my real lashes with it, so I was not liking that. So I'm going to set my whole lid with this white color, and I'm also going to highlight the brow bone. I've already primed my lids with some concealer, so I'll use like a fluffy brush just to place this into the crease, and then I'll take a flat concealer brush like this just to highlight the brow bone so that I can get nice and close. Okay, so the first shade that I'm gonna go into is this like medium brown shade. It's like a warmer brown. And I'm just going to place this into my crease. And always when you're doing eyeshadow, keep a clean, fluffy blending brush on hand so that you can blend in between each step. I don't like to wait until I've placed all my shadows to start trying to blend it out because you won't get a seamless finish and it will take you forever. So after every shade that I put on, I will go over it with a clean blending brush. So we're just going to build this color up into the crease, and I take it slightly higher than my crease as well. And it's fine if you get it on your lid. We're going to pack this color onto the whole lid anyways. But right now I'm just focusing on a nice, smooth transition color. I just wanted to blend into the brow bone highlight and out here smoothly. Just going to take a little bit more, and I'm continuing to build it up into the crease so that I get some more definition. You can build the shade up as light or as dark as you want it, but I'm just going to go in twice, focusing it more in the crease for the second time, just because I already have that nice gradient from my upper crease to my brow bone. I'm just going to focus it right into the crease now. Now I'm going to go in with this dark reddish brown here, and I'm grabbing it on a smaller crease brush, and I'm going to focus this color right into the crease. I start placing it at the outer V and then lightly work it into the crease. This is just going to give you a little bit more definition. Grab my clean blending brush. Now I'm going to grab a flat shader brush, and I'm going to grab the first color that we put in our crease, which is this color right here, and I'm going to pack this all over the lid now, right up to where we put that red. And I like to pack it probably 2 or 3 times just to make sure that the color isn't patchy, because it is a matte shadow and doesn't go on like a shimmer or a foiled shadow. So I might need a few more layers to get that opaque color. You want to make sure you get right onto the lash line as well, and just use like patting and light swiping motions. I'm going to go back into the dark reddish brown shade with that small crease brush and just further darken up the crease. Clean blending brush once again. I know you guys are probably sick of me saying that, but it is so important. Now I'm going to grab a small dome brush. This is my favorite dome brush for packing on colors onto the lid and the outer V. I'm going to grab that same reddish brown shade that we put into our crease, and I'm just going to darken up the outer V with it to give the eye a little bit more depth. Grab my small crease brush and really lightly blend out the edges. And that is it for the upper lids. I'm going to use those same 2 colors on the lower lash line as well. So I'm just going to grab this first transition shade on a fluffier shader brush. I'm going to run this along the lower lash line. I will put most of the product right at the lash line and blend it back and forth. And as there's less product on my brush, I'll slowly start to bring it down. And I bring it down kind of far, kind of like where I get a tiny little crease. That's how far I'll bring it down. Not everybody will have that crease, but that's kind of my marker. Just grabbing a small angle brush, I'm going to get that dark red color that we put, and I'm gonna just push this up against the lash line. Just a nice little patting motion so that I get as much payoff as possible. You can leave it like this, or you can add a pop of shimmer to the inner corner. I'm just gonna go with this light shade right here. It's not a shimmer, it's more of a matte, so it's a little bit more subtle, but it'll still open up your eyes. And now I'm just going to load up my lashes with mascara. This is the Telescopic Carbon Black by L'Oreal. I'm going to do 2 coats of mascara. And before I go on with mascara on my lower lash line, I'm just going to line the waterline with a nude eyeliner. This is optional, but it does help brighten up the eyes. And just before I go on with the mascara, I'm going to go back in with my little shader brush to make sure that the eyeliner isn't on my lashes or on the lower lash line. So I waited for my mascara to dry before I went ahead and curled them. And for my lip color, I'm going to go in with a nude, of course. I'm going to go in with WHIRL by MAC to line my lips. And I'm going to go in with Pure Zen by MAC as well. It's like a nice peachy nude. And that is it for this easy brown smoky eye. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.